Hey guys, welcome to Simply Niqua. I am Sharnice and welcome to my channel. And if this is your first time here, hello. So for a new fun nail tutorial series that I'm going to do nail tutorials based off of Disney princesses. So it doesn't mean I'm going to draw princesses on my nails, but the nails are going to be inspired by them. It's going to have the essence of them. So the first Disney princess that I picked was Princess Merida from the movie Brave, which I love and adore that movie, and she is one of my favorite princesses because she's just different and out of the box and from the others. So this channel is called Simply Niqua, so I'm going to simply get started, and while you continue watching, but before you go and continue to watch, go down below, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I thank you so much if you have. And also hit that great notification bell so you're notified. You know the drill. Just give me a like, please, and also share this video. So let's get started with this video. So to begin this nail tutorial, I applied Opal White to all of the nails to give it this nice shimmer look. So I'm going to do a French tip style onto all of the nails. So I applied that first, just one coat. Then I went in with my base colors. So on the index finger and the pinky, I applied Pure Ice Drive Me Crazy, just a one coat. The best way to explain this French tip style that I did. So I started in the middle of the nail, and then I dragged two diagonal lines from the middle to the edge of the nail, and then filled it all in. So on the index finger and pinky, I just did one coat of Drive Me Crazy. And then on the middle finger, wedding finger, and thumb, because it's going to be all the same shape but different colors and different things, I applied Hansen's Jazzy Jade onto those three nails, and I applied two coats for that. So between going back and forth and between coats, so I jumped back to my index finger and pinky and applied Salon Perfect's Too Cute to Spook, nice deep rich orange glitter that remind me of Merida's hair. So I applied one coat of that on those two nails for now, and then I kind of let that dry a little bit. And then I went in with a makeup sponge wedge and I applied this Too Cute to Spook onto the edge of that, and then dabbed that glitter onto the index finger and pinky where I have before, and so I can really pack in that glitter and give it more opaque look, and so it can look more full. So then I hopped right back over to the middle finger, wedding finger, and thumb, and with a liner brush I applied Sally Hansen's Go for Gold onto these nails in a design. So on Princess Merida's dress, at the bottom it has like in gold this dragon design, which yeah, I could make, but I didn't feel like it, so instead of the dragon I just applied some nice cool lines. So altogether it should be 5 lines. So then I hopped back over to the index finger and pinky, and I applied Jazzy Jade on the perimeter of the orange to pull everything back in to these nails. after I did those lines, I applied Pure Ice Witching Hour glitter topper on top of the glitter orange, which gave this more earthy, deep look that it really made this look even better. So beforehand, I should say, I had these nice small rectangle diamond nail beads that I had, but I wanted them to be color so they can bounce right off with everything else instead of it not being cohesive with everything else. So beforehand, on the index finger and pinky, I wanted it to be a blue-green color, and I used LA Colors Color Craze Bali Bliss. And then on the middle finger, wedding finger, and thumb, I want them to be a gold color. I applied Sally Hansen's Go for Gold onto these. And so I wanted to stagger these nail beads onto the nails. So first I put one in the middle of the nail, and then I applied one on each side of the one that's in the middle, but lower. Once I have done that to every nail with their colors that I wanted on the particular nails, I am then done with my nails, so I wanted to seal everything off. So I went in and applied my favorite top coat, which is Pro Effects Quick Dry High Gloss Top Coat, and I apply that on every nail. This is how my Princess Merida inspired nail tutorial came out this week. It gave the nice, rich, earthy essence of the movie and who she is. Okay guys, what did you think about my Princess Merida nails that I did this week? I thought they came out pretty awesome. If you made it this far in this video, thank you so much for watching. So before you go, if you haven't already, go down below and subscribe to my YouTube channel, please. Also give me a like and hit that great notification bell, and also share this video out if you really want to. And thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you back next week with another inspired Disney princess nail tutorial. I hope to see you then. Bye.